Hi, this is Mike. I've got another do-it-yourself project. Today I'm going to show you how to change from a three-prong dryer cord to a four-prong dryer cord. Since 1996, National Electric Code has required four-prong dryer cords instead of three-prong dryer cords. So if you move into a new home and you've got an older dryer with three prongs, the only way to get that dryer to work is to install a four-prong cord. It'll take you about 10 minutes to do, and all you should need is a Phillips screwdriver. Sometimes you might need a nut driver depending on what's holding the wires in place, but it is a pretty simple do-it-yourself job. So let me show you what you've got to do. First thing you need to do is where the wires go in, there's always going to be a little panel. You just need to remove that cover. And that will expose the wires. Let's look in here. You see the green screw to the left, then you've got three screws with white wires connected to them, and the upper part you've got a red wire, white wire, and a black wire. So basically you've got to take that green screw and the three silver screws loose to remove the wires, and that'll take or free up the cord so you can take it out. And then we're going to put the four-prong cord in. So let's get started. You want to be careful because some dryers, with the way they're designed, if you drop a screw, it'll end up in the bottom of the dryer. And you'll have to take half the dryer apart to recover that screw. So just keep that in mind as you're taking these screws loose. Fortunately, mine, if they drop, they fall straight to the floor. Okay, these wires should be loose now. Okay, one more thing. In order to get this cord out, you've got this here. It's called a strain relief. It basically helps to hold the cord in place, and you need to take it loose. Cordless drill to do that. Okay, you can see that the cord is out of the dryer and we're ready to install the new cord. Let's take a look at this new cord. The old cord only had three wires. This one has four wires. You've got the white, which is the neutral, the red and the black, which are the hots, and then you've got the green ground wire. So the big difference between the three-wire system and the four-wire system is that you have a ground wire on the cord, and because of that, there's something that's critical that you do. This white wire is basically a jumper. It'll act as your ground wire when you've got only a three-wire cord. But now that we're putting a four-wire cord in, this wire, which was under the green screw, must be connected here to this white wire along with this white wire. So you'll have to move that over. Now some dryers have a copper strip, looks like this, and you'll need to disconnect that. You won't have this white wire, but you'll have a copper strip. So, okay, before I feed these wires, let me show you one thing. You see here the way the wire is connected to this little brass connector. This gives you a flat surface on this side, and this side is not flat. What I recommend is putting the flat side against the dryer, and you put your screw in from this side. So make sure you do that to have the best connection. Okay, so let's put these in here. Obviously it doesn't matter which wire you connect first. Then you want to get these wires snug. You don't want a loose electrical connection. Okay, we'll just do these in order. Red is next, so let me get this red one. Now the white one. Make sure you get both of these wires connected. So you can see I've got the white wire that was over here under the ground screw, and then the white wire that is connected to the cord. So you've got to have both of those connected there together. Last but not least, do your black. Again, get all your screws snug. And you're basically done with the wiring. Now you need to reconnect the strain relief, put your cover on, and this project will be complete. So to connect this clamp, you just slide the small rounded portion up into the hole, and then you pull the clamp down or bend it down around the cable. You put the screws in and you tighten the screws, and that's all there is to it. Okay, let's rewind a little bit. I forgot to tell you to put the cover on. So, and lastly, you just need to put the cover on. Don't forget that, or it could be a shock hazard. So, most covers will have 1 or 2 screws. You screw it back on just the same way it came off at the beginning of the project. And now this project is done. So here we have our 4-prong cord on the dryer. So let's plug it in and we'll have a working dryer. Okay, so that's it. This project is complete. I sure hope this video has been helpful to you. I sure appreciate you watching, and I would appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and even consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Have a great day.